Good morning, students. Today revision part. So this week will be conduct that text test. So today I will give to oral from one words. Okay. First one, choose the best answer. You see, when a woolen yarn is tinted to get a sweater, the change can be classified. Change can be classified. What answer? Physical change. What answer? Physical change. When a woolen yarn is tinted to get a sweater, the change can be classified as a physical change. What change? Physical change. Good. Next. Dash of the following are endothermic changes: condensation and melting. Condensation and melting of the following are endothermic change. The condensation and melting is a endothermic change. Okay, next. The chemical changes is cow dung to biogas. Cow dung to biogas. Repeat again, you are repeat. The chemical changes dash cow dung to biogas. Okay, so next questions. Next, you see next, dash is on example of a periodic change, earthquake. Dash is an example of periodic change, earthquake. Okay, so what that periodic change example? Earthquake. Second one, dash is not a chemical change. You understood the question? Dash is not a chemical change. Melting of polar ice caps. Melting of a polar ice caps is not a chemical change. Okay. Okay, next. Once again we are going to again choose the correct answer. Okay. So you see that the first one, when a woolen yarn is written to get a sweater, the change can be classified as physical change. Okay. Next one, dash of the following are endothermic changes: condensation and melting. Okay, so third one, the chemical changes is cow dung to biogas. Cow dung to biogas. Next you see, dash is on example of periodic change, earthquake. Dash is not a chemical change, melting of polar ice caps. Okay, so next we are going to next filling the blanks. Okay, you see, filling the blanks. Filling up a balloon with hot air is a dash change, physical change. Fill up a balloon with hot air is a dash change, physical change. Stretching gold coin into a ring is a dash change, physical change. Stretching gold coin into a ring is a physical change. Third one, opening a gas cylinder knob converts dash fuel into dash fuel, liquid to gaseous. This is example of chemical change. It is example of chemical change. Okay, so fourth one, spoiling of food is a dash change, chemical change. Spoiling of food is a dash change, chemical change. Respiration is a dash change, exothermic change. Respiration is a dash change, exothermic change. Okay, are you understood? Physical spelling, PHYSICAL, physical. PHYSICAL, physical. Liquid, LIQUID, liquid. Gaseous, GASEOUS, gaseous. Chemical, CHEMICAL, chemical. CHEMICAL, chemical. Exothermic, EXOTHE or MIC, exothermic. Okay, so next, true or false? True or false? Cutting of cloth is an example of periodic change. Not a periodic change, it is a physical change. So this statement is a false. Correct answer is a physical change. Okay, good. Next, taking a glass of water and freezing it by placing it in the freezer is chemical change. Not a chemical change, it is a physical change. So its statement is a false. So next, a bean plant collecting sunlight and turning into bean seeds is an example physical change and non-periodic change. It is wrong answer. It is a chemical change. Okay, fourth one is, if the chemical properties of substance remain unchanged and appearance or shape of a substance change, it is called a periodic change. No, false. It is a physical change. So next, transitioning of silver is an example of endothermic change. No, it is a false answer. Okay, so answer is chemical change. Good, nice. So next, match the following. Melting answer is ice cube to water. Condensation answer is steam to water drops. Evaporation, water to stream. Periodic change formation of ice cube. Non-periodic change, sorry, so again I will tell that this one, again I am telling that melting, correct answer ice cube to water. Condensation, steam to water drops. Evaporation, water to stream. Freezing, formation of ice cube. Periodic change, ticking of clock. Non-periodic change, collecting flowers. Okay, good students. So you study very well. Coming Thursday, yeah, we are going to write the monthly test. Okay, you ready for that? Revision timetable, you are get new timetable. Revision time, I will come and ask to that questions. Be prepared. Thank you, children.